Hey everyone, Joe Dash here, and we're back to another figure review. And this time, look at the Transformers Age of the Primes Liege Maximo. And you can see he's already out of the package in his old mode. Now let's take a look at this package first, as well. Let's take a look at the package. It's pretty much the same size, larger package. It's kind of a nice little artwork of Liege Maximo, who's holding a weird missile drill, whatever that is. And his old mode looks like a spaceship of the Bugs motherships. It kind of reminds me from the. It reminds me of the motherships from Metroid Zero Missions. Sure, kind of. I had no idea whatever vehicle is. We'll soon get to that. So he's a member of 13 Primes. It's from Transformers Ace Prime. It says 25 step. Other side, nice little artwork. It's pretty much the same image. On the other side, it's pretty much the same thing as this. And on the back of the box, and it shows the robot mode and vehicle mode, and shows the little weapon features. And that's pretty much it. There is no re-up, what's pretty unfortunately. Got this one at birthday gifts. I actually got my birthday from yesterday. And I also found this at Walmart for about very expensive, about $40. So anyway, let's take a look at the Liege Maximo himself. Alright, we're back with Liege Maximo out of the package. And you can see he is a gigantic spaceship. I had no idea whatever the heck that is. It looks like some kind of bug-shaped vehicles, motherships, with a spike. It kind of looks like a Anubis head. Sure, it looks like. It does look tons of weapons. Has a little free missiles. Which I'll try to take us up. Oh. Gotta be careful. I don't want to break this piece. Come on. I think we had a problem. Hold on. Okay, sorry that. Anyway, he comes with little blasters, or goes combined, turns to a gun. It comes with free missiles. Which is, I believe, has a weird, comes with missiles. Which I'll show you to take us up. It comes with free pairs of missiles. Looks like a blood translucent plastic. Looks overall in detail. There's nice little detail as well. As far as the weapons, it does a little detail. You see it has a symbol. It's kind of hard to see. It's kind of hard to see. You cannot see it. Focus on. Here we have a nice little logo. Thanks. As far as the alt mode, it looks pretty nice. It pretty looks nasty. Looks nice little green. Is darker green. It's textures. Down here it's got robot junks. On the back here it's got a little thruster piece. So overall, it's a pretty bulky. How nasty it is large. It looks like pretty heavy it is. Now, if you're not familiar who's Liege Maximo, he was the main villain, who was originally main villain in Generation 2 Marvel comic, which appears towards the end of the final issues, which left on a giant cliffhanger. Although it was continuing next issues, but unfortunately it was cancelled due to poor selling toys. And yeah, that's really unfortunate. It does appear TV special of the Earthspark, who is also being the main antagonist as well. Now, as for transformation for the Liege Maximo, well, prepare yourself. This is going to get really tough. First to do, let's unpeg. Then open his chest. And you can see there's a... Now let's start unpeg his whole feet. And just like jiggle, jiggle. Gotta be careful, I don't want to get break. That might be the scariest thing at all. Probably careful. Okay, so I've been in rotate. You can see there's start bending feet. Oh wait, that's alright. Start bending feet. Now next one to do is feet well. This is going to be a tricky challenge. Now the next one, view is then rotate. Start has a little slide connect. Has a connect is here, or snap the piece. Now overdue. Let's rotate. You can see this on connect here. Rotate hands, arms like that. Just like that. Okay, next to you, let's start open his little chest. Oh, dang it. Oh, crap. Also has a tangible back in this piece as well. Next is open the chest, and you can see there's a head there. It's kind of hard to see. Try and get... Oh. Try and get out. Okay, I almost got a head. So I close piece like that. And that's that. Oh yeah, forgot the wells. So here is a Liege Maximo in his robot mode. Let's just say this transformation is really hard. It's kind of the hardest transformation I've ever seen. Now this figure is really huge. He's about almost 8 inches tall. Now here's a little size comparison. Here's the next Optimus Prime from Right Speeds. I'll promise we'll get to the next review of him. Now this guy is pretty tall. He's pretty humongous. I'll show you the size comparison. Here is next the Commander class Optimus Prime. And you can see he's really tall. It's pretty bulky as well. Yes. The head sculpt for the Liege Maximo looks incredible. It kind of looks like a muted spiking his helmet. It kind of looks like a stray out of Warhammers. Then, other than that, it kind of looks like straight out of the bad guys from Power Rangers. Overall, I think it's a nice little detail. I do like it has a darker green. It has a silver metal. It has a wire belt. The rest of the back is oh yeah, I forgot to mention, he comes with weird backpacks. Sort of take off. It comes with a backpack, has a little peg. It goes in a hole. Here's a fun fact. If you have the Studio Series 86 Starscream, the leader class, you can actually attach to his Decepticon thrones. He'll recreate the final shot, the cliffhanger from Marvel. Nice. So overall, the rest of the detail. It's got little feet. It has a red translucent plastic. So under that, it's sort of larger for you figure large. Now the feature gimmick, it does have other arm, a turnless flipless cannon. Wait, I'm supposed to cannon mode. Turn rotate like that. Wait, I guess I gotta put the wrong hand. Hold on. Here we go. Here we have what looks like his arm cannon. This is kind of cool. It's nice little feature gimmicks. It kind of looks like an arm cannon. It reminds me of Trap Joe from He-Man. That's yours when he gets arm cannons as well. Besides that, you also can hold the weapon as a drill. It doesn't fit nice as hand as well. They also have pretty nice little battle mode as well. My only issue, the biggest issue, has to do with that transformation is pretty hard one instead. As for articulation for Liege Maximo, its head's on a ball joint. It does go up and down that much. His arm, it goes up and down. Oops. Because handed by his arms goes up and down, goes in and up, biceps swivel, then to the elbow, rotate wrist, swivel. It has a finger articulations. I think it's a thumb articulation. Yes, it does have thumb articulations. It does have swivel ways because transmission. Its leg is forwards and back, goes in and out, bicycle, that is the need, and ankle hands left right, and total articulation. So that's about pretty much their articulations. So there's my review of Transformers Age of the Primes Leader Clash Liege Maximo. Overall, this is pretty beefy looking figure. It's pretty menacing looking. I mean, I'm not familiar about this character from Generation 2 comics. Overall, I think it's highly recommended to check out this. This figure is really expensive. You can actually, luckily, you can find it. Got this at Christmas gift, or not Christmas gift. I got this at birthday gifts from around the Walmart, about $44. That's really expensive. So overall, I recommend you get this in and pick this up. I recommend you pick this up. The figures are available in the stores. Anyway, so I recommend you're a die-hard fan of the Age of the Primes or a Generation 2s, you're not familiar, or the members of 13 Primes. So overall, I recommend you to check it out. Check this out. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this one. Be sure don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.